Hi guys, so my name is Victoria and today I'm gonna do the unboxing of FurReal Cubby, and it's really furry as I can feel. Sorry, I have the hiccups today. And this is what he looks like. And I'm gonna read to you guys some of the things that he can do. He can play peekaboo with you. He can respond to your voice. React to your voice. And he can respond when you feed him. And he can go in nighttime mode. So I'm gonna probably start opening him. So where do I start? I'm gonna start like peeling the tape.
Hold on. Look. He reacts to his 3-in-1 accessory. So
Yes,
what's his accessories? Right there. So it's like those are his accessories. So it's like a pacifier, a honeycomb.
Yeah.
It's like honey, right?
The pacifier is like, if you hold it upside down, it's a honeycomb. Sorry. And it can drink from the top. Like,
Yeah.
when you flip it, honeycomb and
So he also has 100+ sounds and motions. That's awesome.
Yep.
What else does he have here? It shows, he responds to sound and touch. So he was about $100 on sale. Originally like about 130. All right, Victoria.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna open him.
Yeah, help me.
Okay, I'll help you out. Okay, ready?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, stop.
Yep. And that's how you open it.
So then you just slide him out.
Oh my gosh, he's so big.
He's cute though.
I know. Look at his little furry thing at the top, like this part. That's why it was so furry.
Just gonna cut the back.
The back. I think you need to cut like
All this plastic stuff.
yeah, so I can get
So he
it.
also takes batteries, right?
Uh,
He takes 4C alkaline batteries.
yeah. So if you guys ever open this toy, you know what the batteries are for him, and you also know what kind of things.
So that's his toy. So the third one is at the bottom of this.
Yep. It's like a little brush, I think. Do you guys think this is a brush?
Maybe it could be a brush.
Probably.
And
Same.
then you.
Whoa, that looks cool. That's cool. You just put it in.
We gotta put in his batteries and see like how he acts.
Yeah, but I don't know where the batteries are. Okay, guys. So at the bottom right here.
Where? Oh. There's one there. There's one back here.
Yeah.
Okay, now he's free.
Oh my gosh.
One more. One more on his leg.
It's under leg.
Alright.
It looks very cute.
This is him. Alright, so now let's put in his batteries and see what he
Yeah.
got.
So I think the batteries are over here. The switch is here. Oh, right here. So
Hey, here, Victor.
So you open it from the back right here. Sorry guys, it's really rough to open. That's one thing. So right here is his little battery section. We just need like a screwdriver to unscrew this.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll get that then.
Okay, so yeah, as I was saying.
Whoops.
Oh no.
Whoops.
It's
so
okay.
these are the batteries he needs, and then you need a star screwdriver.
Yep, don't
to
forget
open
that.
him up.
That's very important to open him.
And then
Oops.
He needs how many of these?
Oh,
Needs 4.
where did the screw?
4 batteries.
Yeah, here. I will start opening this. I actually don't know how to open this, so you can. So we're kind of doing surgery on the bear, but it's okay. Nah.
Alright, so we got the
Yeah.
batteries in.
And now screw it back
Gotta
on.
put it back in.
Oh my gosh.
And you gotta screw it.
Oops.
out.
The fur.
Watch your fingers. Yeah, it's a little tricky to get this in. Hold on.
Okay, so a second. I'll hold the camera kind of.
It's a little bit tricky.
It actually is really tricky.
Okay, so we're gonna have to push this down. There we go. We got it. And then you gotta screw it back.
Yep.
Until
And-
it's like
Really hard to
it's
do.
good. Yeah, yeah. Until it's tight.
Mm-hmm.
When it's tight, then it's done.
Oops, you kind of.
I think it's good.
Yep.
And then does it have an on button? Yeah, it does. Okay,
Yeah,
Then you
okay.
just kind of close him back up.
You can do that part. He
Back
kind
up.
of needed surgery though.
Oh, it's alive. Okay, Victoria.
Okay, I don't know what to do.
Try him out.
You try.
Oh, he's cool.
Hi.
He's a cubby, right?
Yes, so it's little cute.
Oh,
Let's
he's
try
cute.
feeding
Wow.
him.
Yeah, see what he does.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's so cool.
Here, take your little sip.
Aw. That's awesome. Wow. He even feels so great. He's so cute. So this is the little book that comes with Cubby. That's his name. So these describe his activation points. So one of them is if you feed him his bottle or treats. So we've already done that. And then if you tickle his tummy, Victor. That's cute. There's also if you press his left paw. Where's his left paw? You know the left is right here. You have to press his left paw. Aww. He's cute. Okay, then no, talk to him. Say hey, Cubby.
Hey, Cubby.
Aw. Or blow on his nose. See what happens. That's awesome. So it also says your pet features 100 plus sound and motion combinations.
So
That's
like,
awesome. So pat his cheeks or the top of his head.
like that.
Maybe, or like rub it. And then his cheeks, try his cheeks. Aww. He's cute. Okay, let's turn him around. So he has the nighttime mode. Is that the nighttime mode?
The middle one is the nighttime.
Okay, let's put him on nighttime mode. Okay, turn around. This is him. So if your child has needs a sleeping buddy, right here. Aww. That's awesome. That's awesome. What an awesome toy. Guys, this is worth every penny. So if you want to wake him up, it says here he goes automatically into nighttime mode if you don't interact with him. He won't be turned off though. You have to like stimulate him by touching his left hand or his head.
What? Oh, it changes the music.
Does it? Oh, that's awesome. You can change the music by squeezing that. So this guy is like a great like cuddle buddy. Look at his feet. They're soft actually. That's great.
They are. Oh, they are.
Wow, that's awesome.
It feels like real, like.
What an awesome toy. So this is the little pamphlet that kind of explains to you Babbling play. Talk to your pet and he babbles back. Turn him back to normal mode. Okay, talk to him, Victoria. Be like, how's your day or something.
How's your day?
Or coochie coochie coo. Coochie coochie coo. And he kind of babbles back. And then what else? Okay, so we did the batteries. No, he can't, Victoria.
Why does it show in the manual?
Or maybe he can, but he doesn't walk though. You just can bend his legs, I'm pretty sure.
No, that doesn't work.
No, they can't bend? No, they don't. The legs don't bend. That's fine though. It's a really cute toy though.
You sure?
Really cute toy.
Oh yeah, it did talk back to mine.
Did it? And then here's some more. It says press left paw so he can raise his arm to be picked up. Ooh. Start playing peekaboo or surprise. And then the other one is to feed him.
It's sad.
Oh, peekaboo.
Where's
He plays peekaboo, Victoria. Aww. He's so cute.
peekaboo?
Okay, but Victoria, okay, so we pretty much showed everything. So this little manual explains to you what to do. Okay, bye.
Bye guys.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video.
Yes.
Okay.